What's going on? Just shooting over a quick testimonial video for the only prompt. I had to shoot one out here. I don't normally make these kind of videos, but this tool is so freaking awesome and it's genuinely changed stuff going on in my business. So I just had to send over a quick video. So what the only prompt is essentially a AI website building, code building tool that does anything that you need it to do for anything web-based or code-based. For example, if I want to make a pitch deck on a website, or if I want to make a landing page or a full service 30-page website, if I want to make a cool presentation or a portfolio or whatever the case may be, or a web widget to embed on my site or a form to embed, the only prompt can take care of it, and it's as simple as wishing what you want with a simple click with a little bit of magic with AI, and you get what you want. So this is the website. We have an embedded section, as you can kind of see how this works. You can edit specific sections, then use it and change the style and the animation and all this cool stuff. But lucky for you, I have an account, so I'm just gonna log right in. It's gonna boot up when you click this button here. The People OS is what the only prompt is built in, and it's an app inside of the People OS. So let me just put in my password real quick here. And what's really cool about the People OS is it's literally like a Mac OS on a web-based tool. So as you guys can see up here, this is literally inside of a browser. It's just super cool that you have able to do this. But what you guys might not see on the outside is the future of the People OS and the only prompt. So as you saw in the People OS, uh, the brand that we're going for is, or that they're going for, is to wish what you want into existence. Eventually, with the People OS, all of these apps that you see here, we have obviously our AI website builder, we have Lamp Chat, we have Wish Media, we have things like music and YouTube and stuff like this for now. But in the future, you will literally be able to have all of the apps that you decide that you want inside of your People OS that can do everything that you need to do. Which, with a tool already just off the rip as cool as the only prompt, things are going to get serious. So this is the builder. Obviously this is like Mac OS, so I can resize it, and I can move it around, and I can click here to full screen it. For this example, we'll keep it full screen. What I'm gonna do right here is I'm just put in a prompt, a random prompt to get us a website. I'm gonna click generate, and this is gonna load. So just give me one moment. And boom, just like that, you can see it has generated a full service website. We'll just click toggle view here. Obviously, sometimes you're going to have to come in here and add your own images, of course, but off the rip, in less than a minute, the fact that they can generate this, that can save so much time. This can literally replace people. So my designers don't even make stuff this good. So this is awesome that I can do this. Uh, as much as I want. Of course, this is just one simple prompt, one simple generation. I can come in here and I can tweak everything. But let's go through here. As you can see, this is a good looking website. Like, has everything that you would need. It has newsletter, has a footer. It's literally made for you, which is just absolutely incredible that this is even possible. Like, there's even hover effects on the buttons, which is, and there's like whatever these pop-up effects are called, which is just super, super cool. I can obviously come in here and touch things up, and I can open the code if I know how to do code for all you code wizards out there. I don't know how to do all that, but you can click things like publish. It's going to download a file here. Whoopsies. And it's literally going to give me the HTML for what I need for that site. I can come in here, I can paste that in to my development site, and I have a site ready to go in minutes. So the only prompt, the only People OS is absolutely incredible. For the price, you can literally get started down here for $0. I'm personally on the $90 a month plan because I need the unlimited projects and need all the analytics and all that cool stuff. But it's super cool, right? You guys can check out the site. You guys can do a demo if you guys want to, or you can just jump in and make an account. So really, really appreciate you guys, all the stuff you guys are doing at the only prompt. Had to make this video because of how cool this was. So yeah, hope you guys love it too. Hope you guys sign up, and I wish you guys to come on board.